So what are the hot home decor trends for 2019? We're going to find out when we come back. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty, and here are the hot home decor trends for 2019. Look up the word black, look up geometrics, look up tribal, unique and eclectic, mixed metallics, gradation and contrast. All those words are going to yield all sorts of great inspirational images that will really help you with your home decor. Now, if you know that you're going to struggle with that and you're really setting out to make a big change in your home, I would really urge you to consider an interior designer. This is going to make a big difference in the overall look and result of your project. Here's an example. I've got a neighbor who knows that she doesn't really have the touch or the ability to make good decisions when it comes to picking the right things for home decor. And I said, Shirley, you know what? You deserve the best. Why don't you make an investment in hiring an interior designer who has really been doing a great job of making selections so that when you walk into your home, you, the homeowner, is going to feel wowed and like you're in a special place every single time. If you make that investment, you're not going to regret it. I'm Phoenix real estate agent John Cunningham with eXp Realty. If you have any questions about home decor and real estate here in the local Phoenix Metro, I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching this video. See ya!